Alright guys, so this was at the hamfest from, I guess it was the Silent Key estate sale. I'm not sure. The guy said something that didn't quite make sense, but um, he was telling me all this stuff was from the Silent Key. Then he was telling me how he was using some of it. So either he was using it or it wasn't really a Silent Key sale. But anyway, all this stuff was in Ziploc bags. This is the Autek Research WM1 computing meter. And I don't know how old they are. Some of them have, I guess, a light in them, and some of them don't. It goes 20, 200, and 2,000 watts. Average and peak. The power button turns on. Back of them. Gonna look like this. Couple of chips in here in the socket. Yeah, totally serviceable. Probably some calibration points. Not a lot of whole complicated stuff. I don't know what chips they're using, but it's a active peak reading situation. I don't know if these legs are normal. It's not in super great shape as far as, like, you know, some of the ones I've seen. I don't know why the paint peeled, but I mean, it looks good though on the front. So, and the way that this thing works is you have a little power supply down here. It does use kind of a funny proprietary plug. I wouldn't say proprietary, but just funny. So I just put my finger in the fan of the 101. So it's got this box here. Connections feel a little bit sloppy on one of them. Maybe somebody used a connector with too much solder on the end. I gotta look at it later. But I'm listening to these guys on AM right now. We'll go ahead and put it on the dummy load. So I don't remember what this radio keys up on AM. About 10 watts. Okay. One of the things I don't like about this radio is that with the meter, you have no idea what your wattage is. You can set it to whatever, I think, but that's why I usually have the bar graph, but I don't think it looks as good. We'll go. Let's go 50. Interesting. It says let's see if this one says 100. I'm on a 200 watt scale. It definitely says 100. So I'm not really sure. We've turned. I'm just gonna turn it up all the way and just see if it goes even higher, because there might be something wrong with it. It's still the same. So apparently on AM, this thing is not quite right on the power control, but what I do is I leave AM down really, really low, so that when I want to tune something, I'm good. So I got 5 watts. Looks more like 10 on this. And again, the radio might be wrong. Yeah, they both agree that it's 10. Put it on 20. See what it reads. It runs about 12. It's actually not what it's reading on here. She seems to be pretty accurate. Now you got to remember, all these guys get hung up on the bird meters and compare things to the bird meters when I I don't remember what the accuracy level is on a bird meter, but it's not as good as you would think it would be. Like something like 15 or 25% accuracy. So having a meter like this that works, that agrees with that, usually without making any changes, means it's probably pretty good. But yeah, some guys just have to have a bird meter, and they don't really look all that good when they're in line, you know, unless you're testing stuff. This here, I can put it somewhere. I don't know, actually, I'm not sure about this at this point. I think I might, because it's gray, I think it matches the 101. So let me set it up for the 101. I saw a 101 amplifier at the hamfest. I mean, it's $500, but let me see, what did it say? Something 10-meter kit, it said. Something like that, anyway. So it put out like 650 watts, which is probably about normal. I need a $500 101 amplifier, like I need another radio. The FL 2100. There are a couple of other versions, the 2100B, 2100Z, 2100 something else, I think. I think there's like 3 or 4 versions. So, if you're going to buy one, you know, you probably want to be picky about which one you buy. Anyway, so let's put this thing over here. We'll try FM. Okay. Wait. I don't know what the hell I just enabled. Probably the U-tune. Okay, we're on FM. Let me see, about 40. Oh god, here I am pegging the meter. It's set to 30, but it's not putting out 30. It might be 30 on this one. 20, 30. Yeah, it's 30 on that one. But 32. Yeah, so pretty close. So, good enough for me.